All right, hello and welcome back everybody to the second episode of the Android video tutorial series. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a new project and then run that project within the Android emulator. So let's get started. What you want to do is you want to go to File, New, and then Project. So here you're given some possibilities to choose a project. You could choose a Java project, but what we want to create is obviously an Android project. So you want to twirl down that Android category here and choose the Android project setting. So then click Next. And now you're presented with this screen, and we need to enter some important information here. So first of all, you want to specify a project name. And since, it's pretty much a classic, I will type Hello Android, right? So this is our project name, and we want to create that project in our workspace, a new project in our workspace. And we want to use the default location. And what we also want to specify is the build target. That means the platform we want to develop for. So we have the choice between Android 1.1 and 1.5 and the Google APIs, but we aren't interested in that one. So I'll choose Android 1.5. It's the new version. And then down here we have to specify some properties. So the application name, I also named that Hello Android. Now the package name is basically if you have a website or a domain, it's the domain name backwards. So for me, it's com extensive arts Android, and then the actual package name for the application, I'll choose Hello. All right. So now next you want to create an activity. And an activity is pretty much a screen in your application. I mean, an application can consist of several activities, and each activity would be a different screen in your application. Like, for example, an options dialog, or I don't know, a list of contacts, something like that. So Eclipse provides us with the possibility to automatically create an activity. We just have to specify a name for it. So again, I'll choose Hello Android, but this time making sure that there is no space between Hello and Android, because an activity name has to be without spaces. All right, the Min SDK version was automatically filled in when we selected Android 1.5. So that's all the information we need on this page, and we can click Finish. And now you can see Eclipse has created a project for us. And you can go here in the Package Explorer and twirl down those folders. And what you see here is a source folder. Twirl that down. And under that source folder, you see our package. It's com extensive arts android.hello for me. Again, for you, it would be something different, like com sample domain.www or something like that. All right, twirl that down and you'll find our actual source code, our main file, Hello Android. I'll double click that. And as you can see, it opens it here, and it's pretty short actually. And all that it does is when the application has finished loading, or when the activity is first created, it will load a layout and display that layout on screen. All right, we can just go crazy here and just run that application. Just click on that little green arrow here. and we want to run it as an Android application. Choose OK. And now it will start the Android emulator, and that'll take a while. You can see it here. Let me just move it a bit here. And now it will take quite some time to boot up the emulator system. That's pretty normal, so don't worry if it takes a bit longer. It can take up to a couple of minutes on the first start. So we just hang back and wait for it to finish loading or booting. All right, so thing about the emulator is it locks the screen automatically if there was no activity for a couple of seconds. So if you present with that screen, just select menu and click it, and you're automatically taken to your application. And this is what our sample project, our new project, really does. It prints out hello world, hello Android. And you might wonder where that comes from. And so just let's go back to our project. And you can see there are no strings in here. There's no method that says, print hello world, hello Android. So how it's done, really? It's all done with layouts. And what I want to show you today, the final thing for today, we're going to dig deeper into that topic soon. But for today, you have a folder res. It's like the resource folder. And when you twirl that down, you see drawables. Those are, for example, the icon of your application. And you see your layouts, and you see your strings. And as you can see, both of those files are XML files. So if you just double-click strings, for example, it'll open up. Eclipse defaults to kind of a graphical user interface for those strings, but you can also switch back to a normal XML view by clicking that little tab down here. And as you can see here, we have our string that's printed on screen when we run our application. So it says hello world, hello Android. And we could change that. Just, I'll delete hello Android, hello world, and type hello universe. All right. So we'll save that. And then I think we'll run that application again. Now, when you rerun that application with the emulator running, it actually sees that there is an application with the same name already installed, and it attempts to reinstall the new version of that application. So, all right, let's switch back to the emulator. And as you can see, it has already started. It was much quicker this time. And it printed hello world, hello universe, just as we would have expected. So that's pretty neat. And yeah, there it is, your first Android application that you were running in the Android emulator. All right, so next time we're going to dig a bit deeper into topics like activities, and we'll actually try to create another activity and to switch between those activities. So stay tuned for the next screencast tutorial. I'm your host, Matthias Reich, and I hope you found this useful. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.